And the male and female captains of Jamaica's Goodwill Games swim team are wearing their hats with pride as they look to lead the country to a successful championships set to get underway on August 14 in Trinidad and Tobago. McLeod tells us more.
First-time captain Joshua Scott and returning captain Renee Chung have been tasked with leading a 40-member team to another medal-filled Goodwill Swimming Championships following their best-ever showing last year. This is the second straight year a full complement of swimmers will be available, and they will be seeking to improve on the 48 gold, 26 silver and 27 bronze tallied in their previous outing. Scott and Chung are both looking to make the most of the added responsibility.
I'm extremely elated. It's an honor to not only represent my country, but to be one of the leaders of this very talented group of individuals we have here. I'm proud to represent, and I'm proud that we will do our best at these championships.
I feel really good being named captain of this team, and not only a privilege but an honor to swim not just to represent Jamaica as a swimmer but as the captain. I think I can lead this team to do amazing. I think we have trained really hard, and I think that we can go there and do our very best.
Assistant coach Prince Easton says he's expecting a good showing from the team.
The Goodwill Championships, it's a 25-meter pool. It's not the regular 50-meter pool that they'll be swimming in. They'll be swimming the 25-meter distance in that pool, which should see the kids doing faster times. All the age groups are strongly represented, so I expect all the kids to do well at this Goodwill Swimming Championships.
The 30th edition of the Goodwill Swimming Championships is scheduled for August 14 to 16 at the National Aquatic Center in Trinidad and Tobago. McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.